happy Thanksgiving to everyone that is following us on No Fear Cooking, new recipes, and thank you for following us. Thank you for my family to be home today. Matthew's home, Sarah, Ethan, our little dogs, Blaine, thank you for always being home.
Yep.
And I'm going to let my husband say a few words.
Hey, happy Thanksgiving, everybody, from all of us here at No Fear Cooking. We have got an amazing feast. Hey, we didn't do a turkey this year. We didn't do a ham. We got it from our dear friends at Harrington's, but we got the carrot souffles, we got the sweet potatoes, we got the vegetables, we got the potatoes. Look at these homemade desserts. Look at that homemade cranberry sauce that you know who did that. That's right. Hey, anyway, a little bit thank you. Hey, you want to catch me? Get me on viewsonbooks.com, and pretty soon, Books and Looks, the new podcast coming. I'm going to do it to the next guy. What do you got to say?
Hey everyone, happy Thanksgiving. Matthew DeSantis here, and I am thrilled to be joined by my family, my father, who has blocked almost all of Horse Racing Twitter. I appreciate all of those folks who watch the Win Play show every week. Let me tell you something, we got two dogs here. I don't know if they're going to get in a race later, but I think we're all winners on this Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to you and yours. May you be safe and happy and enjoy a wonderful feast as well.